Most air-cooled VW engines have an identification number stamped on the case. That number can tell you what the engine started life as, and sometimes even what model it was built for. So if you want to check out if yours matches your car, or if it's hiding a surprise, here's how to make sense of it. You'll find the engine number stamped right here, on the flat ledge of the case just below the generator or alternator stand. In the very early years, Beetles carried a 1- prefix and buses a 20- prefix, up until December 1955. During this period, the engines began as an 1100 and eventually were upgraded to a 1200. From 1956, VW dropped the prefixes and put both Beetles and buses into the same shared number sequence. It started at around 1.3 million, and by 1965 it had climbed past 9 million. So if you see just the number, no letters or prefix, you're looking at a 1200 engine built between 1956 and 1965. From August 1965, VW added letter prefixes to their engine numbers, and now things got a bit clearer. A D means that it's a 1200, F or E is a 1300, H is a 1500, and codes like B, AE, AD, AH, AJ, AS all point to different versions of the 1600. You can pause here and check the list for the common Type 1 and Type 2 engine codes and where they were used. But there are plenty of others, so if yours is missing, drop it in the comments and I'll add it to a downloadable document in the description as we expand this list together. Of course, VW built more than just Beetles and buses. The Type 3 used 1600s under codes like T and U. The Type 4 family went further with 1700s, 1800s and even a 2-litre. These codes are a great way to figure out what your engine case started as, but remember, after decades of rebuilds and swaps, the inside may not match the code anymore. Your 1200 or 1300 may be a 1600, and your 1600 may be much bigger. So how can you tell if your engine's been upgraded? In the next video, we'll look at the telltale signs you can spot without even opening it up.